Hi guys, welcome to another video on Great Life Project channel. Thanks for joining me on this edition of the video. On this video, I'll be sharing with you an online platform that you can write and you get paid between $20 to $50 per job. So this particular platform I'm talking about is called the Paid Online Writing Jobs. So you can work from anywhere in the world by writing on this platform. So I will be playing the video to kind of introduce the platform to you and what you need to know regarding this particular platform and how you can get started even right now to join the platform and start making money and start earning for yourself. So I will play this introductory video for you to see, and if it's the right opportunity for you. And the interesting thing is you can write from anywhere in the world on this platform and make money. And if you are new to this channel is created to provide opportunities in terms of doing research on jobs opportunity, on business opportunity, on how to make money online, and also manage finances in terms of personal finance information. So this is a robust channel that provides information on all those things that are mentioned with detailed research on genuine opportunities. So in this video, like I mentioned earlier, is just about writing jobs online, and this particular platform is an interesting platform that you can join and you can write for them and make money within the range of $20 to $50. Please listen to this introductory video for you to know how the platform works and what you need to know about the platform. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Sarah from Paid Online Writing Jobs here. I'm so glad you found this page. Are you looking for a job that you can do online? I don't mean some get-rich-quick scheme that promises you millions of dollars for 5 minutes a day of work. Because, let's face it, we both know those never actually work. The kind of job I'm talking about is the kind of online job where you can log in from home or wherever you want, put in an honest shift of work, and get paid $20 to $50 per hour for your time. No funny business. If you are looking for a real online job that you can start getting paid for today, then make sure you stick around for the next 5 minutes. Because the very fact that one of our partners has sent you to this page means that we very likely have an online job that you are fit for, that you can start right away, and that you can do on your laptop or phone from anywhere in the world. Let me explain why. Did you know that over 100 million people worldwide now work remotely from home? The laptop lifestyle, where you can work from bed, from your couch, or the beach, is a real thing. Remote workers save businesses money, increase productivity, and improve employee satisfaction and retention. It's a win-win for everyone, so it's no wonder that remote working is growing in popularity year after year. Here at Paid Online Writing Jobs, we completely believe in the remote work revolution. Our entire team works from home from all over the world. For the last 5 years, we have made it our mission to help ordinary people who don't have prior experience working online to find high-paying and flexible remote work online. We also believe that for the vast majority of people, the best, fastest, easiest, and most profitable online remote job to get started with is an online writing job. So that is what we specialize in. We help ordinary people with no writing experience, who have never worked online before and have no technical skills, to get their first high-paying online writing job. You might be wondering, how can someone with no writing experience get paid $20 to $50 an hour to do writing jobs online? It's a great question, and I'll let you in on the secret. You see, just about every business in the world right now needs to have a presence online. You need a website, a blog, social media pages, email lists, live chat on their website and Facebook page, and so much more. This creates a ton of writing work that needs to be done every day for millions of businesses all around the world. Think about it. Someone needs to write those social media posts, reply to the comments, write blog posts and emails, talk to the customers on live chat, and moderate the Facebook groups. It's a lot. Some businesses try to do it all themselves, but most end up outsourcing this work to remote workers online. And the fact is that these businesses don't need an award-winning New York Times journalist for these online writing jobs. You don't need to be an expensive professional writer to reply to comments on Facebook or write a simple email. These businesses want a real person who is just like their customers to write Facebook posts, reply to comments, write emails, and live chat with their customers. They don't want a professional writer. They want a real person. In short, they want to hire someone like you. We have a database packed full of remote writing jobs that pay $20 to $50 per hour that are looking to hire people just like you. If you qualify, you don't need any prior experience because we train you in everything that you need to know. We also know that most people get stuck before they even get started. They don't know what online jobs they qualify for, and they don't know where to find them or how to apply. The whole process of getting started working online can seem quite daunting. That's why we built our Instant Apply online writing job application process that does all of this work for you. You just take 1 to 2 minutes to enter a few key details about yourself, and then our system runs your profile through our database of thousands of remote online writing jobs to instantly match you with the jobs that you are a fit for. These are all remote online writing jobs that you can do from anywhere in the world that pay between $20 to $50 per hour, with 5 to 30 hours of work available each week per job. So if you are matched with a $30 per hour online writing job that has 25 hours of available work each week, you could bank an extra $750 a week, working from wherever you feel like. Application process only takes 1 to 2 minutes, and then you'll be instantly matched with high-paying writing jobs in our database. If you have been looking for a real online job that you can start right away, this is for you. Fill in the short application form below, and our system will run your information against the thousands of jobs in our database. And on the very next page, you will be able to see all of the online writing jobs that you've matched with. And you can choose one and start work right away. Your first payment could be in your bank account by this time tomorrow. What are you waiting for? Fill in the form below, and I'll see you on the other side.
So, as you have listened to this video, you can see that it's just about some simple writing online, like responding to Facebook comments. Some businesses need people to help them to do all those things because for them to be able to focus on the important thing about their own businesses. So they need people who will probably be replying to their Facebook posts, who's going to be handling their Facebook posts and all those kind of jobs. So this is an opportunity for you if you are looking for a job that you can do from the comfort of your home, and then you can earn money from that. So this is an opportunity, and how you can join is I'll provide the link to this website in the description below, and you can click on that and register. Below the video you have information such as your name or last name, country of residence, you provide your email address, and then they ask you about your experience. This is just to be able to match you with the kind of jobs that are available in terms of how experienced you are in writing. And also they ask about your skills, so this is also to provide them with your level of expertise in terms of how comfortable you are on how familiar you are with some of these options that are available here. And also they ask about your educational level. So if you are just a high school or secondary school holder, you can click that. If you completed a university degree, you can also include that. And this is interesting, this is very flexible, so you can select the number of hours you want to work in a week, and also I think this also will be matched with your desired pay. So this desired pay ranges from $20 to $30 per hour. So this sounds very interesting. This is $20 to $35 per hour, and this you can even compare this to some people who have to leave their house and go to an employment that pays them about $20 to $30 per hour, whereas you be in the comfort of your home earning $20 to $35 per hour. So also you have to also provide reasons for applying, and then you're done. You click on application, you click on submit to see what jobs you qualify for, and then That's how you get started about this opportunity. So thank you. If you are new to this channel and you enjoy this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel as I bring you more interesting videos like this. And also like this video, share with friends and people that you think will be interested in this kind of opportunity. This is an opportunity that you would not you don't want to miss. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.